Every grain of salt begins in the ocean. Giant pumps bring fresh seawater into huge evaporation ponds. Under the sun and wind, the water disappears.
The seawater spreads into huge, shallow ponds. Under the warm sun and steady wind, water slowly evaporates, making the salt concentration stronger every day. After most of the water has disappeared, tiny white salt crystals begin to grow naturally. Soon, the entire pond becomes covered with sparkling sea salt. When the crystal layer becomes thick enough, giant harvesting machines collect the natural sea salt and prepare it for factory processing. Thousands of kilograms of freshly harvested sea salt are transported to the processing factory, where advanced machinery begins the next stage. Inside the factory, the salt is carefully washed to remove natural impurities. It is then dried until every crystal becomes clean, bright, and ready for processing.
Large salt crystals are crushed and sorted into different sizes. This ensures every product meets the exact requirements for cooking, food processing, and industrial use.
Before packaging, every batch is carefully tested for purity, moisture, and food safety to ensure the highest quality standards.
Automatic machines fill, weigh, seal, and label thousands of salt packages with incredible speed and precision, preparing them for customers around the world.
From the endless blue ocean to homes across the world, this is the incredible journey of sea salt, created by nature and perfected through modern manufacturing.